In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation buttons in Looker Studio reports. This straightforward guide will help you enhance your reports by adding easy, intuitive navigation, making your data presentations more user-friendly and professional. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Looker Studio. Hit Enter, and from the search results, select the official Looker Studio site. Once you're there, locate the Login button and enter your credentials to access your account. Initial access is simple and straightforward, making sure you're where you need to be as we move forward. After logging in, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Add a Control. Click on it, and within the options presented, you'll see Button. Select this option to start adding buttons to your report. Selecting the right tools at this stage ensures that you can create a seamless navigational flow for your users. With the button now a part of your report, it's time to set its action. In the Properties panel on the right side of your screen, you'll notice several options. This is where you'll determine what each button does. For navigation purposes, you might choose options like moving to a specific page, going to the next page, the previous one, or even jumping straight to the last page. Consider what would be most useful for your report's readers and select accordingly. This customization allows you to tailor your report to better meet the needs of your audience. Once you've defined the button's action, click directly on it within your report. Here, you can enter the text that will appear on the button itself. It could say Next Page if it's intended to move viewers forward, or perhaps Go to Overview to take users to a summary section. This text is crucial as it guides your viewers and clearly indicates the button's function. Now, a little creativity comes into play. Use the style options available in the Properties panel to customize the button's appearance. Change the background color or adjust the font and its size to ensure that it aligns with the overall theme of your report. Make sure it's visually appealing and stands out just enough to catch someone's attention without being overly distracting. This visual coherence ties your entire report together beautifully. With these steps, you've successfully added navigation buttons to your Looker Studio report. This enhancement will help people seamlessly move through your data presentation, ultimately improving their experience and understanding. Feel free to revisit and adjust these elements as needed to maintain a high standard of navigability in all your future reports. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.